Hello and good afternoon students. In this video you are going to learn chapter 11 respiration in plants and animal. This is the chapter of grade 7th. So in this chapter mainly you will learn the respiration in plants and animals. So you will also learn the types of processes of respiration that are mainly two processes in respiration, external and internal, and I will explain it in detail to you in this video. So keep on watching, and before starting the chapter I will discuss the syllabus for Akal Academy, which will come in post midterm. So let's have a look of your syllabus. So here we have chapters of biology. I will discuss first, that is reproduction in plant. This chapter we have already covered and you can see the video in description. Second thing, respiration in plants and animal, that we are going to discuss in this video. And from physics we will start light and its supplementary part, and from chemistry we have one chapter, changes and reaction, that we will complete after biology. So in biology you have done experiments that are also given here. These we will do in practical files. So let us start chapter 11, respiration in plants and animals. So let us understand what is respiration. So respiration होती क्या है ये आपको सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए. It is a process in living organisms involving the production of energy with or without intake of oxygen. So there are mainly two types of respiration. One is aerobic respiration which take इन ऑक्सीजन, जिसमें ऑक्सीजन की इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है, जो हम जैसे ह्यूमन बींग्स है, एनिमल्स है, ये सभी परफॉर्म करते हैं एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. और एक होती है आपकी एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन जो है आपकी बॉडी एनर्जी रिलीज़ करती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. If we talk about in simple terms, so breathing is respiration. Breathing is the process of exhaling and inhaling gases, exchanging gases. So these are also a part of respiration. So let us discuss it in detail. What is respiration? So respiration involves two steps. One is external respiration, another is internal respiration. So external respiration is taking in of oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, is called external respiration or breathing. Similarly, we have internal respiration. In internal respiration, oxygen combined with glucose, that is the simple food, to produce energy and also produce some amount of water vapors with carbon dioxide and energy. So this is the whole equation for the internal respiration. Here the complete equation for internal respiration. Glucose is the simpler form of food. When your food digested completely, it turns into glucose, that is C6H12O6, its formula. It's also very important in terms of exam point of view. Then when it combines with oxygen, then it gives rise to, it splits into carbon dioxide, water vapors, water and energy. Energy is also stored in form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. That is the energy currency of our body, that you will learn in your higher classes. So for now you understand glucose combined with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. And now let us discuss respiratory organs in some organisms. So most of the vertebrates means those who are having backbone, they are having well developed respiratory system called lungs. ओके, सो जो भी आपके वर्टिब्रेट्स है जिनमें बैकबोन है, दे आर हैविंग लंग्स. फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी वेल्स हो गए एंड जो हायर ऑर्गेनिजम्स हो गए लाइक बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, दीज आर हैविंग लंग्स इन दैम. ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट फिश, इसमें एक्सेप्शन है. फिश ऑल्दो दे आर वर्टिब्रेट्स बट दे ब्रीथ थ्रू अनदर रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन कॉल्ड गिल्स. Clear? So if the question comes in exam indirectly, birds breathe through, so you will write their lungs. Do not get confused in it. So next we have tree organ called gill, and it is present in fish and tadpoles. What happens in them? Gills have filaments which are somewhat like a teeth of comb. You can see here they are like a teeth of comb. जैसे comb में आपके teeth होते हैं उस तरह से gills होते हैं. And the filament are full of small capillary carrying blood. Water entering through the mouth flow over the gills. जो यहाँ से mouth से water enter करता है वो इस gill से flow over करता है. एंड द डिजोल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन इन द वाटर के अंदर जो आपकी डिजोल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन होती है दैट इज एंटर्स इन द कैपिलरीज एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द कैपिलरीज पासिस आउट इन द वाटर. जो वाटर इसमें एंटर हुआ था उसमें से ऑक्सीजन जो है इसकी बॉडी ने यूज़ कर ली और जो बॉडी से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हुई दैट इज़ मिक्सड विद वाटर एंड रिलीज्ड आउट फ्रॉम इट्स बॉडी. So this is the mechanism of gills. Now we have another respiratory organs in small insects called spiracles. These are actually a small holes on the body of the insect. Insect की body के ऊपर छोटे छोटे holes बने होते हैं जिसको spiracles कहा जाता है. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहे होंगे साइड में. These are spiracles and the thin tubes which adjoin the body of the इंसेक्ट जो एक ट्रांसफॉर्म और नेटवर्क की तरह वर्क करती है उनको ब्रीदिंग ट्यूब्स कहते हैं या फिर ट्रैकी कहा जाता है. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्किन. सम ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे ऑल्सो ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर स्किन एंड दे आर लाइक लीचेस एंड अर्थवॉर्म. दे ब्रीथ थ्रू स्किन. वी हैव फ्रॉग दैट कैन ब्रीथ थ्रू स्किन एज वेल एज थ्रू लंग्स एंड इट्स लार्वा. इसके जो बेबी फ्रॉग होता है लार्वा जिसको कहते हैं या टेडपोल्स जिसको कहते हैं दे ब्रीथ थ्रू गिल्स. सो दिस इज एक्सेप्शन. फ्रॉग कैन ब्रीथ थ्रू स्किन एज वेल एज इट कैन ब्रीथ थ्रू lungs and its larva that is tadpole that breathe through gills. So I hope the respiratory organs are clear to you. Now we have respiration in plants. So plant respire through stomata, through roots, through lenticels. So they are present in different parts of the plant. So जैसे एक plant होता है इसमें leaves होती हैं आपकी, ठीक है, इसमें stem भी होता है आपका, and it also have roots, ठीक है. root also helps in respiration, leaves also helps in respiration as well as stems जो है उसमें भी lenticels होते हैं that helps in respirations. Alright, so let us discuss one by one. So stomata जो है सबसे पहले leaves की बात करें. leaves contain small pores that are called stomata and they help in exchange of gases. So here they are also guarded by जो stomata होते हैं that are guarded by guard cells regulates the opening and closing of stomata. So we have lenticels. So lenticels are you can clearly see on the skin of potato as well as apple in form of tiny dots. Here you can see the tiny dots of white color over the bark that are lenticels. Similarly in potato they are formed in form of dots. Then roots also breathe. So you may be amazed to know this that root also breathe. That's why the gardener they loosen the soil to create space between the soil particles. तो soil particles में space create करना होता है so that air can easily enter into the soil particles and roots can perform breathing. So here you have an activity to show this. What you have to do in this activity, conical flask containing phenolphthalein solution in it. Both conical flask लेने आपने, इन दोनों में phenolphthalein solution डालना है and in one conical flask you will put a root. किसी भी plant की आप root उसमें डाल देंगे and इसको अच्छे से ऊपर से cover कर लेंगे, tightly covered. इधर cork cambium से कर लीजिए, किसी से भी आपने इसको cover कर लेना है. Then सेकेंड में आपने कुछ नहीं डालना और उसको वैसे ही टाइटली कवर कर देना है ऊपर से. अब आफ्टर सम टाइम यू विल ऑब्जर्व द कलर ऑफ रूट कंटेनिंग फ्लास्क विल टर्न वाइट या कलरलेस. उसको वो कलरलेस बना देगा. वाई टर्न्स कलरलेस बिकॉज द रेस्पायरिंग रूट जो रेस्पिरेशन कर रही थी रूट उसमें से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हुई एंड इट रिएक्ट्स विद फिनॉफ्थलीन सोल्यूशन और उसने वहाँ पे कार्बोनिक एसिड बना दिया. ठीक है. it combines with phenolphthalein combines with carbon dioxide and form carbonic acid, and the solution in the flask turn colorless.
Now
मैन या ह्यूमन बींग्स में कैसे रेस्पिरेशन होती है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस पार्ट. सो we take in and give out air through our nostrils. We have hole in our nose that are called nostrils, and we breathe in and out through this nostril. So breathing in, जब हम सांस लेते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं inhalation, and breathing out when we release air या carbon dioxide, that is called exhalation. So the number of time we breathe in and out is called breathing rate or respiration rate. And whenever we are in resting position, we breathe around 15 to 20 per minute. Okay. One thing more I want to discuss, that do you know whenever you are playing, you need more oxygen and your respiration rate is increased. So why it happens? Because your body need more energy, and to meet the demand of energy, our body requires more oxygen. As I told you, whenever glucose combines with oxygen and it produces water, carbon dioxide and energy. So to meet the demand of energy, we need more oxygen. As much oxygen is in your body, your body will produce more energy. Now understand how do we breathe. तो हम breathe कैसे करते हैं, which organs helps us to breathe, so that you have to understand, and this diagram is very important from exam point of view. So first of all, we take in air through nostril. जो आपके नोज़ में होल होते हैं यहाँ पे, वहाँ से हम एयर अंदर रहते हैं, और वहाँ पे एक नेज़ल कैविटी होती है, उसमें ये एयर चली जाती है. देन फ्रॉम देयर इट एंटर्स इनटू अ थिन ट्यूब कॉल्ड फिरिंग्स. ये फिरिंग्स में जाती है. फिर फिरिंग्स के बाद इट एंटर्स इनटू ट्रैके. ट्रैके इज़ अ थिन ट्यूब, और यू कैन सी विंड पाइप. तो ये विंड पाइप से आगे आपके ब्रोंकाइज में जाती है. 2 ब्रोंकाइज आपके पास है, एंड देन दीज 2 ब्रोंकाइज लीड्स टू द ब्रोंक्यूल्स. जो छोटे छोटे ब्रोंक्यूल्स, ये ब्रांचेज आपको दिख रही है यहाँ पे, दीज आर ब्रोंक्यूल्स. इसमें जाती है, एंड देन अल्टीमेटली इट लीड्स इनटू alveoli. Here alveoli are the small air sacs. And then another important organ in it is diaphragm. It's actually a muscle. ये एक मसल होती है जो कि कंट्रैक्शन में हेल्प करती है आपकी एयर की एक्सपेंड, एंड जो कंट्रैक्शन है उसमें हेल्प करती है. इट क्रिएट्स अ स्पेस टू एंटर एयर इनसाइड द लंग्स. And one thing more, between pharynx and trachea, there is a cartilage muscle here in your throat that's called larynx. And it is a speech box or voice box in your body. And we all have hairs in our nose, but why it is present, you must be clear about it. They trap dust particle and other harmful particles in the mucous membrane, and they do not enter in our respiratory organ. बाद जो एयर एंटर करती है आपके फेरिंग्स में, वो जनरली वार्म होती है एंड क्लीन एंड मॉइस्ट होती है, थोड़ी नमी भरी होती है. ठीक है. एंड देन फ्रॉम हेयर द एयर एंटर्स इनटू द ट्रैके और विंड पाइप. देन the trachea branches into 2 thinner tubes called bronchi. I told you already, they are 2 thinner tubes called bronchi towards the left and right lung. Then between pharynx and trachea, I told the larynx here in this part. So after entering it into the lungs, what happens to the air? After entering the lungs, the bronchi is divided into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles. जो ये छोटे छोटे bronchioles है आपके साइड में, these are called bronchioles. Air passes through the bronchioles and finally enters the tiny sac called alveoli, और singular form में इसको कहेंगे alveolus. Each lung has millions of alveoli which get filled with air when we inhale. So what is the role of alveoli? Alveoli क्या करते हैं आपके? Here see in the picture number 11.5, These are the fine mesh of blood vessels surrounding each alveoli. तो आप यहाँ देखो, these are the mesh like या जाली की तरह इसको सराउंड किया होता है alveoli को ब्लड वेसल्स ने. ब्लड वेसल्स आपके होते हैं थिन ट्यूब्स ऑफ ब्लड. सो द सम veins आर कंटेनिंग ऑक्सीजन इन दैम, तो उनको कहते हैं हम oxygenated blood, and some are containing carbon dioxide in them, that is called deoxygenated blood. So what happens when the one alveolus is comes in contact of blood flowing through the टिश्यूज़ कैरिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम्स इन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ इट, तो ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इसके अंदर एंटर कर जाती है एंड इट गोज़ बैक थ्रू द सेम वे इट एंटर्स इनटू द लंग. एंड सिमिलरली द ऑक्सीजन विच इज़ कैरिंग आउट बाय द नोस्ट्रिल towards lungs is entered into the blood vessels या blood जो carrying oxygen होती है वो आपकी बॉडी में these कैपिलरीज के थ्रू या ब्लड वेसल्स के थ्रू आपकी बॉडी में सर्कुलेट हो जाती है. तो ये पूरा प्रोसेस है रेस्पिरेशन का. सो नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द पिक्चर इज़ अबाउट. सो हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. Respiratory system, first of all we have first part. I told you it, if they have shown this part then you will write nostril. If it is shown there, so you will write here nasal cavity, nasal cavity, cavity. It's difficult to write over the phone, so you can write it by your own good handwriting. Then next you have this part. This is the this is here they have shown you larynx also, part between pharynx and trachea, and this one is trachea. Here I am writing larynx, larynx, larynx. Then trachea. Okay, here it is pharynx, pha, RYNX, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and then next you have after larynx this is the speech box, then trachea we have written, then this is bronchi, BORNCHI, bronchis, and after that these parts are bronchioles. जो ये ब्रांचेस से दिख रही है आपको, ट्रीज लाइक ब्रांचेस, दीज आर ब्रोंकियोल्स. ब्रोंकियोल्स जो लार्ज नंबर में थे. एंड दिस एयर सैक्स कॉल्ड एल्वोलाइज, एंड दिस इज द लंग. ये टोटल कंप्लीट होता है लंग. ठीक है, ये लेफ्ट लंग है आपका ये पूरा. ऑलराइट, एंड द लास्ट पार्ट विच इज लेफ्ट इज diaphragm. Here you can write the spelling from here, diaphragm. Okay, so here you have, they have given you, so these things you can write in parts of respiratory systems. This can definitely asked in exam, so you must be clear about it. So now we have the last topic for this chapter is anaerobic respiration. As I told you, respiration without involvement of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration, and it is the formula for it: glucose simpler form without the involvement of oxygen break down into alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. And this anaerobic respiration is also called fermentation, and mainly bacteria and yeast perform this type of respiration, and it's also useful in making wine, beer, bread. So इन चीज़ों में ये यूज़फुल होती है स्पेशली, और ऑल्सो इन चॉकलेट्स एंड पेस्ट्रीज, केक एंड बेकिंग, जो आप भी बेकरी का सामान लेते हो उसमें यूज़ होता है ये. देन it also takes place inside our body. जो human body है उसमें भी ये होती है when we do any strenuous work. Strenuous means whenever we do any physical work. ठीक है, लाइक एक्सरसाइज, हैवी एक्सरसाइज और वॉकिंग मोर देन 6 or 7 kilometers. So what happens in anaerobic respiration? When our body do not meet the oxygen demand to meet the demand of energy, so what happens, there is not enough oxygen to meet the energy demand in our body, so the cells produced by the anaerobic respiration produce lactic acid and accumulate in and this accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles cause muscle cramps. So we have muscle cramps after heavy exercise because of the accumulation of lactic acid. So this is all about the chapter. Now let us solve the questions related to it. I have conducted the test. So the test series I will tell you in this, 20 questions are there and we will try to solve them. So this is the test I have prepared for the students. First of all, you have to fill your name and your section and your admission number. Then question number 1, respiration occurs in dash steps. So I told you it occurs in 2 steps. So 2-step answer will be correct. Then next question you have, fill in the blank. So glucose when combines with oxygen produce energy, water and carbon dioxide. So you have to choose the right option, that is C part. Then dash breathe through gills. So what breathe through gills? Here fishes breathe through gills. So fish you need to choose. Next you have small holes on the insect body is called spiracles. First one is spirals. So there are confusing spellings. You need to read carefully. Then dash breathe through lungs and skin. Here spelling is written wrong, but the students may understand this is skin. Okay. So dash breathe through skin and lungs both. So it is frog, I told you. Then earthworm breathe through skin. Next question, plant breathe through dash of their leaves. So plant breathe through stomata on their leaves. Then next we have dash regulate the opening and closing of stomata. So guard cells, I told you guard cells, they are in kidney shape like this and inside the stomata, यहाँ पे stomata होता है स्मॉल पोर्स में, ठीक है. तो ये गार्ड सेल्स जो हैं इट रेगुलेट द ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव द टाइनी डॉट्स ऑन द स्किन ऑफ पोटैटो एंड एप्पल्स, दीज आर कॉल्ड लेंटिसेल्स. देन वी टेक इन एयर थ्रू डैश विच लीड्स टू नेजल कैविटी. तो आप कहाँ से सबसे पहले आपने नोस्ट्रल से आप एयर जो लेते हो, देन इट enters into nasal cavity. तो जो 2 holes है उनको हम कहते हैं nostrils. So nostril will be the right option. Then next you have the number of times we breathe in and out in a minute is called respiration rate or breathing rate. Breathing in is called inhalation. जब आप अंदर सांस लेते हो तो उसको कहते हैं inhalation. It is true. Then breathing out is called breathing rate. No, it is false. Breathing out is called exhalation. Exhalation. ठीक है, this must be clear to you. Then which is the speech box in the human body? So larynx are the speech box in the human body. So one option is correct. Then another we have the blood containing oxygen in it is called oxyhemoglobin. So question A is correct. Deoxyhemoglobin means when blood contain carbon dioxide. Then next we have respiration that do not require oxygen in is called anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration ऐसी respiration होती है जिसमें ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, ठीक है. वी डू नॉट नीड ऑक्सीजन. एंड एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन जब ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में रेस्पिरेशन होती है. Then next we have during anaerobic respiration in human body dash accumulate in the muscles to cause muscle cramps. So it is lactic acid. The next we have the process by which food is broken down to release energy in the absence of oxygen, means oxygen present नहीं है, it is in the absence of oxygen, so it is called anaerobic respiration, or another name is fermentation. So this is correct option. Then why do gardeners loosen the soil from time to time? Because the because loosening soil creates space between the soil particles. This is the correct option. Because he loves gardening, it will not come. Because he have extra time, no. This is the right option. So last question we have, lungs have millions of air sacs called alveoli. So alveoli is the right option. I hope now you all understand the chapter very well. Thank you. And if your friends they do need of this chapter, please go share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.